So what you can also do is you can go ahead and export out your video so that it is a good standard for Instagram. So to do that, you can actually go around over here. Let's say, for example, you can see that it says S.264, and here you can see that I have set it to Facebook now. So S.264 is the standard for Facebook and Instagram. So if I were to go around over here, this is what you have. I can simply go to the preset section right here, and then if I were to go ahead and see, there is no Instagram like standard right here. You don't really see Instagram. So you can simply keep it to Facebook right here and then go to the preset right here. And now what you want to make sure that you do is you want to make sure that the aspect ratio is for Instagram. So right now this is widescreen, as you can see, which is not for Instagram. So what I can do right here is I can go to output right here, and then you can see that this is the source resolution. You can go around over here and change it out. So let's say, for example, here in the video, what I want to do is I want to, let's say, for example, unlink this out, and the width that I want right here is, let's say, for example, 1080 right here, and the height that I want right here is 1920 because it is a vertical format right here, just like this. So as I actually do this, you can see that now this is in a wide format. So it will be exported out like this right here. But what you can actually do is you can actually go ahead and crop it out as you want as well. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead and crop off a portion of the video right here, just like this, so that that portion of the video shows out. So in the output, you can see that now it is Instagram specific. It is vertical right here, just like this. And now if I were to actually go around over here and press OK, it is now Instagram specific. And if I were to run it out, you will be able to see a vertical video right here, which is exported and a standard for Instagram. So that is how you can go ahead and export out videos for Instagram from Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.